Hey everyone, today we will see what is Ansys and what are some basics of the Ansys. Before starting, we know what is Ansys. Ansys is a platform on which you can design and simulate your problem. So there are the two main aspect of it. One is HFSS and the other is mechanical. As you know that mechanical, it will deal with some of the mechanical parts. If you have to make some of the parts of anything, so you can make. And HFS is a high frequency structure simulator. You can make any of the RF microwave circuit to it. So let's open it. After clicking on it, you will see that it will open like this way. So you can click, if you have to click open a new document, you can click on it. If you have already designed, you can open from here. You can save anything from here. If you want to save that part and want to alternate some other one, you can do from there. If you want to close project, you can close from here. So another thing is that before coming to view, I let me discuss from draw. If you want, you will see that box. If you want to draw anything, you can draw like this way. If I want to draw that box in this way, you can change the color name of it. Like I give it substrate. Now you can change the material of it. Like let me give it air. Click on it. Okay. Now you can also change the color of it. Let me make it bluish, some that tone, and you can also change the transparency. So you can choose another after this. You can now see that was for the 3D. You want to draw anything 2D on it, you can make from here. I want to draw a circle, so I will click like this way. Now you will see that circle is not visible, white is not visible because we have to write, give it a height of 0.2 as z is 0.2. Now it is visible. Another option is that you can draw any kind of line. Click on it. You can draw a line like this way on it. Now if I want to move that bar from here to another, so I will click on it. It will move that part from here to here. If you want to move it in any of the axes, like x-axis, y-axis, z, with any degree you want. I want to move it 45 in degrees. You can also move it in radians. So it will move it like this way. It have moved like this. You can make a mirror image of it. And that box file will do is that it will duplicate along the line. If you want, click on it and give it a distance of this. And it will ask you how many copies you want. You can make as much copies as you want. And the thing is that you can duplicate of it in any kind of access, and you can also make copies you want. How much copies you want, you can make copies of it in any access. Next thing is that it is not visible. It for that you have to select at least two boxes first. So I have select both of it. It is visible. Now here is a option subtract. If you want to subtract any part, you click the bigger the part you want from which you want to subtract, and then the part you want to subtract and click on it to subtract. If you want to intersect, you can intersect. If you want to split, you can split from here. Now another thing is models. Now we have to move on the view. You will see that box. What is box? See that is that if I select that part, that 3D box, it will says that it will show all the active part, that it will show that and that part too. If I want to see only that box, not the circle, so I will click on it. it will hide that circle. But another thing is that if I want to hide that selected part, you have to click on it. It will hide that part. Another option is that zoom in and zoom out. You can click on it by clicking it, zoom out, and again click on it, zoom it. Now, if you want to want its original, where you have to click on the fit all. Now it will come to its original position. Another thing is that pan, you can move, clicking by this, you can move it like this way. And there is one is rotation. That is one of the option that if you want to rotate it any directions, you can move it in 3D anyway. If you want to work on the top part, you can select any part. If I want to see the back bottom, you can click on it. Any part you want, you can select from here. So nothing is that we use in the model. So now we move on to simulations. So here we will see that mesh setting, it is already set up, so you don't need to do anything. It's a setup. So for setup, you have to go to advanced. Here it will ask you about the frequency you want. If you want to work upon the 5, I want to work on the 10, is it? You have to go next. Let me, if I want to work upon the 10, select next, and it will be selected. Now click on it. Now it is giving one of the error that I have not given the boundary and excitation for that. Let me open the design that I have already designed. So that was a design that I already designed. I want to hide that part and want to see this. That click it is trying to result and then analyze all. Now it will take few minutes. After that, we can see we can move to the next part. Now you have seen that nothing left. It have simulate all the results. Now we have to click on the results. If I have a model solution, I will click on it and it will give us 2D plots. So it will show us results like such ways. You can also see some other kind of results if you want, like if you want to see a 3D plot of it, you can see like this way. And some other items there, like far field reports and 3D um, polar plot. So you can see it like this way. So that was for the today's. If you have any kind of queries regarding the what is Ansys, how it will work, you can ask in the comment. Thank you.